Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and today we are doing a party makeup. तो उसके लिए first you have to clean the face. I am cleaning the face using a wet wipe. आप cleanser भी use कर सकते हो and उसको अच्छे से face and neck को clean करो. After cleaning that, apply rose water or any toner of your choice all over the face and neck. Once the toner is dry, apply moisturizer all over the face and neck as well. Here I'm using Biotics and don't forget your lips. For lips I'm using Vaseline. Next step is to apply facial oil and for that I'm using Beauty Co's 24 karat rose gold oil. Apply it on neck as well. Now our skin is all prep and prime for makeup. As all of you know, first step is to conceal the face and I'm using the concealer under her eyes, around the nose, lip, forehead area and side of her eyebrows as well. For that I'm using LA Pro Concealer using the color shade Warm Honey. Next step is to apply the base and for that I'm using Makeup Studio's cream foundation and the shade is Warm Beige. For neck, I'm using Forever 52's Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation in the shade 04 and applying it all over her neck. To highlight my model's face, I'm using Tarte Concealer in the shade 22N Light Neutral. For contour, I'm using LA Pro Concealer's shade Fawn and you'll see what the difference contour makes in a face. And this is the difference what I was talking about. Next step is to bake the face and for that I'm using RCMA No Color Powder. And I'm applying a good amount of powder under her eyes and her smile lines and all over her face and neck as well. Next step is to powder contour. For that I'm using Kat Von D's contour palette. I'm applying it on her cheekbones, her jawline and her nose as well to give the face proper shape and depth. It's time for the blush guys and for that I'm using iMagic's Touch Palette. As you can see, I'm not going back and forth with the brush. I am first dabbing the color and then blending it with a very light hand. To fix my face, I'm using PAC's Makeup Fixer. It's time for highlighter and for that I'm using Becca Cosmetics Champion Pop Highlighter. For eyebrows I'm using Anastasia's Pomade Dark Brown shade. First I'm gonna line my model's eyebrow and then fill in the gaps. While lining I'm also going to make sure that I give the right shape to her eyebrows. I keep using the spoolie in between so that the eyebrow hair stays in place and the color gets filled properly in the eyebrow. I am going to keep the starting of the eyebrow a bit lighter as compared to the end because I want a very natural looking eyebrow. Now for eye base, I'm again using the same Tarte concealer which I used for highlighting. and applying it all over her eyelid. For eyeshadow, I am using Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette and applying the purple color from it on the lid. Then I am using the dark brown shade from the same palette and blending the color towards the crease. Next, I am using the translucent shade from the same palette and applying it above the crease, and I am reapplying the purple shade if you think it has faded. To highlight her eyebrow bone, I am using Skinny Dip's shade. Now, to give this look a smoky effect, I am using an eyeliner, applying it on her eyes and blending it through a blending brush. Once the liner is blended, I am again taking a dark brown shade and blending it above the liner and mixing it with the purple color. Now apply lashes and mascara to complete the look. Now it's time for under eye, and for under eye I'm using the same brown shade which I used for the crease and applying it below her waterline. As we move towards the inner corner, we change the shade to purple which we used on our eyelid. Don't forget to apply liner under your eyes and blend it as well. Also fill in your eyes with kajal. Now to give this look an extra touch, I'm using Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Midnight Cowboy shade and applying it in her inner corner. So we finally come to lips, and for that I'm using Maybelline Superstay Matting in the shade 225 and 120. I also topped it up with Lakme Absolute Matte Melt in the shade Red Smoke. That's it guys, our look is complete and this is our final look. If you like the look, don't forget to share it with your friends and families. Also comment down below as to how you feel about this look. Also let me know if you want me to make inspired makeup videos or whatever you wish. Go try this look and let me know how it was. Also stay home and take care. Bye bye.